Life is bloody tough, and you've got the scars to prove it. Better yet, you've got the guts to withstand it. The confidence to get behind the wheel and beat it. To tell those bumps in the road to rack off. All because you've got a beast that's prepped for anything. You've got badass blades that tear down roadblocks. Gutsy wipers that'll outrun whatever's waiting around the corner and pull you through the mother of storms in one piece. Even when the rain is belting against your windscreen at 100 k's an hour. And sit back, speed up, and keep cruising. Make sure your vehicle is made of tougher stuff. Go to wipertech.com.au.